Many people, while trying to go through a glow-up, neglect the importance of clear skin, focusing instead on intense workouts or mental development. However, clear skin, free from pimples and redness, is essential for a full transformation. If you're unsure how to take care of your skin or just struggle with acne, in this video I'll share some tips that help me clear my skin and almost completely get rid of my acne. Supplementation. Supplementation is a topic that only a small minority focuses on. Most people don't want to take pills because they don't see immediate results and assume supplements don't work. In reality, almost no supplement works instantly. It usually takes a week or two to start noticing any effects. The supplements that have helped my skin the most and brought me the biggest benefits are omega-3 and omega-6 vitamin C and probiotics. Balanced diet. Good nutrition is essential for developing a strong body, but keeping a healthy, balanced diet also benefits our skin. Try to eat plenty of fish, which contain omega-3 fatty acids. Also, include lots of vegetables and fruits that are rich in vitamins like A and C, which are very good for our skin's health. Don't forget to stay hydrated, as it helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin clear and moisturized. Skincare routine. Healthy and clear skin also comes from proper care. It's important to understand that not every cream works for everyone because each person's skin is different, and there's no universal product that will improve every skin type, making it smooth and hydrated. For the best advice on skincare, it's a good idea to consult a dermatologist. However, if you have a skin type similar to mine, well-hydrated skin, the creams linked in the description will definitely help you and make your skin look better. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Remember to focus on long-term results. In the short term, you won't achieve much in any area of life. If you like this video, you'll enjoy the next one even more. See you soon.